Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Yahoo account without phone number and email. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, I'm going to go to yahoo.com. It could be on your mobile device or your computer. Just basically click on sign in. Wait a bit. Now, if you remember either your username, email, or phone number, you can just basically click on it and enter your username, email, or phone number. So for example, you just remember your username. So go ahead and enter it and click on next. Or if it's connected to your Google account, well, lucky for you, you can just go ahead and click on sign in with Google right here. Maybe you have connected your Yahoo account to your Google or Gmail. So go ahead and open up your Gmail. Okay, go to gmail.com and just basically look for the search bar, Yahoo. Okay. Now, as you can see here, I have these emails from Yahoo. You can just click on it and you will be able to see your email. So go ahead and copy that email. Paste that in here and then just click on next. Now, if you forgot your username, just click on forgot username right here and you'll have a ton of options, okay? Such as a recovery email or your phone number. So your recovery email will be your Gmail or whatever email that is connected to your Yahoo account, okay? Again, now once you're in here, if you forgot your password, click on forgot password. If you remember it, type it down right here. So I'm going to click on forgot password. Now in here, you'll be able to see a ton of recovery options, such as you can see here, my Gmail is connected, as well as my WhatsApp. Now, depending on how you set it up, you may be able to see some phone numbers in here or whatever. If not, just click on more options, okay? If you're using a mobile device, you should be able to see a get premium help, okay? So go ahead and call the number and you'll be given a code, all right? So just call the number, give the code, and then after that, talk with the agent. Okay, let them know that you forgot your credentials, you can't log in, and that's basically it. You got a ton of options right here to recover it, unless it's hacked. Okay, that's a different thing. All right. Now, if you want me to create that video on how to recover your account, but it's hacked, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. But that's just basically it. That is how you recover your Yahoo account without phone number and email. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.